Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Aerogarden Cilantro Pods is probably one of the most convenient and rewarding ways to bring the fresh, vibrant flavor of cilantro into your kitchen, even if you don't have a green thumb or ample outdoor space, allowing you to enjoy homegrown herbs year-round with minimal effort and maximum satisfaction. Number 5. Aerogarden Harvest Indoor Garden Hydroponic System. Experience the joy of abundant harvests year-round. This indoor hydroponic system makes growing your favorite vegetables, herbs, or flowers simple and mess-free, right in your home. Our compact countertop garden offers room for 6 different live plants. You can grow them all at once, with each plant reaching up to 12 inches tall. Featuring a high-performance, full-spectrum LED grow light, it mimics natural sunlight. This helps your plants germinate up to 5 times faster than traditional soil gardening. The intuitive, touch-sensitive control panel makes gardening effortless. It conveniently reminds you when to add water and plant food for a seamless experience. This system comes complete with a 20W LED grow light, power adapter, and liquid plant food. It also includes a gourmet herb seed pod kit with popular herbs like basil, parsley, and mint. What we like? This system makes indoor gardening incredibly simple, allowing you to grow up to 6 plants year-round without soil. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to have fresh herbs and vegetables at home, this is a great choice. It's ideal for beginners or anyone who wants a consistent supply of greens with minimal effort. What people say. These pods are a great way to start your own herb garden indoors. The cilantro grows quickly and has a strong flavor. The pods are easy to use and require no special skills. Number 4. Sal Right Seed Cilantro. Start your own herb garden with these high-quality cilantro seeds. They are perfect for both outdoor and indoor planting, offering a versatile gardening experience. Cilantro is a beloved herb, essential for many dishes. Consider gifting a packet to a friend who enjoys gardening and fresh flavors. These seeds germinate quickly, typically within 7 to 10 days. With full sun and proper spacing, you'll enjoy a bountiful harvest in just 55 to 75 days. Elevate your meals with the vibrant taste of homegrown cilantro. It's perfect for adding a gourmet touch to salsas, tacos, stir-fries, and more. Growing your own herbs is easy with our included instructions. If you encounter any germination issues, we're here to help ensure your success. We are committed to sustainability, using solar power for our operations. You can trust that these are fresh, non-GMO heirloom seeds. What we like? This option offers heirloom, non-GMO cilantro seeds that are specifically bred to resist bolting, ensuring a longer harvest period. If you enjoy cooking and want to add fresh, flavorful cilantro to your dishes like salsa or Asian stir-fries, this is perfect for you. It's suitable for both outdoor gardens and indoor hydroponic setups. What people say. The cilantro pods grow quickly and are very flavorful. I love that the pods are pre-seeded and easy to plant. The cilantro produced a good amount of leaves in a short time. Number 3. Click and Grow Smart Garden Basil Plant Pods. Introducing the Click and Grow Smart Garden Basil Plant Pods. Grow your own nutritious basil at home with absolutely zero effort. No green thumb required. Basil is packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin K, A, and C, plus healthy fats. It's a fantastic addition to your diet, transforming both your meals and your well-being. Often called the king of herbs, basil adds incredible flavor to pizzas, pastas, and salads. Experience the unparalleled taste of fresh basil picked right from your own garden. Using them is incredibly easy. Just insert the plant pods, fill the water tank, and plug in your smart garden. It works with all Click and Grow smart gardens. We offer a 100% germination guarantee. If your plant pods don't germinate, Click and Grow will replace them for free. What we like? Experience the ease of growing your own nutritious basil with virtually no effort, thanks to its zero-effort system. If you're a culinary enthusiast who loves adding fresh basil to pizzas, pastas, or salads, this is an excellent way to have it readily available. It's perfect for those who want to elevate their meals with homegrown flavor without any gardening expertise. What people say. The cilantro grew quickly and was ready to harvest in about 3 weeks. The pods are easy to use, just pop them into the Aerogarden and add water. The cilantro produced a good amount of leaves, enough for several meals. Number 2. Click and Grow Smart Garden Mini Tomato. Introducing the Click and Grow Smart Garden Mini Tomato. Grow your own fresh, vitamin-rich red mini tomatoes at home with absolutely zero effort. No green thumb required. These yellow cherry tomato fruits are packed with nutrients like fiber, vitamin A, and essential minerals. They are a natural, non-GMO source of antioxidants to strengthen your immune system. Elevate your meals by adding homegrown fresh mini tomatoes to salads, cocktails, and sandwiches. They are also a perfect healthy snack or addition to pastas and omelets. Getting started is easy. Just insert the plant pods, fill the water tank, and plug in your smart garden. Expect sprouts in 7 to 14 days and a harvest in 14 to 18 weeks. We offer a 100% germination guarantee. If your plant pods don't germinate, Click and Grow will replace them for free. What we like? Enjoy the simplicity of growing your own vitamin-rich mini tomatoes at home, adding a burst of color and flavor to your meals. If you're looking for a healthy snack or a way to enhance salads, cocktails, and sandwiches with fresh produce, this is a fantastic option. It's ideal for anyone wanting to add a touch of gourmet to their diet with minimal fuss. What people say. The cilantro pods grow very quickly and are easy to use. I love that the pods come with everything you need to start growing, just add water and light. The cilantro produced is fresh and flavorful, perfect for cooking. Number 1. INBLOOM Fruit Seed Pod Kit. Introducing the all-in-one home garden kit, designed to make starting your indoor herb garden simple. It includes everything you need for a bountiful harvest. Our plant pods are designed for broad compatibility. They work seamlessly with most major hydroponic systems, and are also perfect for repotting. We take pride in our locally sourced products. All our seeds are organic, heirloom, and GMO-free, ensuring high germination rates for easy planting and harvesting. Enjoy a diverse selection of popular fruits and vegetables. You can grow strawberries, tomatoes, cucumbers, peas, and beets right in your home. The included grow baskets are durable and reusable, made from high-quality ABS materials. The grow sponges ensure optimal nutrients and moisture for healthy plant growth. Give the gift of fresh, homegrown produce year-round. It's an ideal present for family and friends who love gardening, perfect for any occasion. We stand by our quality with a satisfaction guarantee. If any seed doesn't sprout, we'll send a replacement, so you can enjoy a wonderful gardening experience with peace of mind. What we like? This all-in-one kit provides a wide variety of organic, heirloom fruit seeds compatible with most hydroponic systems, making it easy to start your home garden. If you're looking to grow a diverse range of produce like strawberries, tomatoes, and cucumbers indoors, this is a great choice. It's perfect for gardeners who want to experiment with different fruits and enjoy a bountiful harvest year-round. What people say. The cilantro grew quickly and was ready to harvest in about 3 weeks. The pods were easy to set up and the plant started growing within a few days. I was impressed with how well the cilantro grew, producing a good amount of leaves for salads and cooking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.